In this video, we'll be looking at the pros and cons of this DIY large format versus this regular full-frame digital camera. The cons for using our DIY digital back: the images are grainy and low res. The camera is big, heavy, it's hard to transport, and slow to set up. And there's a helicopter going by. It's Meg's ride, the helicopter. Yeah. The camera is slow and difficult to focus. Low light photos with this camera are a challenge. There's a vignetting issue which I've discussed in previous videos, and you'll see probably in this video. I'm learning how to solve it, but it's still an issue. Today we'll be shooting Meg, our model. Thanks, Meg, for helping us out. Big important study.
It's my pleasure.
Good job. Some of the pros for shooting with this large format digital back camera: the images are pretty edgy and pretty retro and pretty cool looking. The camera definitely draws attention when you're out with it. People look at it and they say, well, that's pretty cool, you're a serious photographer. Large availability of affordable, experimental, and dirt cheap lenses. This 210mm f4.5 I picked up for $65 US. The closest 35mm equivalent is a 50mm f1.2. A 50mm f1.2 is $400 US shipped, so this is definitely a better deal. I bought this 300mm f4.5 lens for $100 US. So the closest 35mm equivalent would be an 85mm 1.2, and that starts about $500 US. Now the biggest pro with this camera is that every lens you own becomes a shift tilt lens. Dedicated shift tilt lenses are $500 to $2,000 US on a regular 35mm, and that's what you pay per lens. So that is the biggest advantage to shooting with this large format DIY digital back camera. Okay, today we'll be shooting 210 and a 50mm. We'll be comparing. We'll be shooting Meg with this nice backdrop here. Then I'm going to switch over and shoot this 300mm f4.5. Compare it with the 85 1.8. Perfect.
Oh, that's cool. I like that one. Thanks for watching. Thank you, Meg, our model, and her elegant costume selection. Thanks, Meg, for those cool clothes. Appreciate the work. Good job. I'll post a few of these on my Flickr page, so if you want to check those out, you can do that. If you want to help support this channel, click the thumbs up button right down below there. And leave comments below if you like this idea, if you think it's a dumb idea, let me know what you think. Subscribe and be happy. I like to say that. Okay.
We'll be right back.